Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ramp expense management to simplify corporate spending step by step clearly. To enable Ramp expense management for corporate spending, start by logging into your Ramp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Settings option in the sidebar menu and click on it. In the Settings menu, find the Expense Management section. Click on Enable Expense Management to start the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to select your business's specific needs. Review the available options and choose the appropriate categories for your expenses. After selecting your categories, click Next to proceed. You will now set up your spending rules. Define your spending limits for different team members or departments. Once you've established the limits, confirm your settings. Next, configure the approval workflows for expense submissions. This will help streamline the review process within your organization. After setting the workflows, click Save Changes to apply your settings. You can also integrate Ramp with your current accounting software for better synchronization. To do this, navigate to the Integrations section in the Settings menu. Select your accounting software from the list and follow the prompts to link your accounts. Once your software is integrated, ensure that you review the connected accounts for accuracy. Finally, conduct a test to ensure that expense submission and approval processes work smoothly. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled Ramp expense management to simplify corporate spending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.